Hey guys, this is probably the part 2 video for our off-grid solar. As you can see here, this is their off-grid system. If you watch on our previous video, replacing the battery, and this is what they have now. It's two new PylonTech battery, lithium ion. And if you watch the part 1 video, they're using lead acid battery, lead acid battery. It's 48 volt, 12 volts each. But for this PylonTech, they're 48 volt each one. I mean for one module. So there's two modules there. So yeah, just showing it to you how it runs. So basically there's a BMS inside, there's lithium ion inside, and what it does, this XCOM communicate with PylonTech battery into extruder. As you can see there, there's extruder side. This is the external side, which is any battery you can hook up to the extruder system. You need to have this XCOM, excommunication, XCOM. So 48 volts, I think the percentage is 80% now. It's about lunchtime. So on and off clouds, that's the inverter, 4000 watts, 48 volt, one solar charger controller. I think they're about 2 kilowatt solar panel to top of the roof. So no more battery underneath. So in the future, if they're going to add up 2 or more, they can just loop this. There's a terminal here, and they can just add on how many batteries they like. But there's shutting down procedure, and also to switch it on. So we'll just go inside. And this is their system. At the moment they are 87%. See, you can see it's 1.7 kilowatt from the solar panel, which is good. So the voltage is 50.7, and that's only the drawing 85 watts, so probably just a fridge. And there's the solar charger controller. It does 1.2 kilowatt. Lunchtime, just about to reach to the peak. So yeah, this is just some short update how the lithium ion PylonTech battery works. This is the BMS from the XCOM communication. So that's the inverter. So the usage is about, let's say, 50%. They maximize the percentage of the battery, which is really good. That's how you're supposed to use the battery. For lead acid, you can only use 30%, but for lithium ion, you can use up to 90%. So that's the difference. Yep, so far so good since I installed this. There's some few issue here, warning, just need to update the software. I did update the software. It says battery high voltage. Yeah, that's the alarm. But so far it's just a software update to get rid of that. And yep, thanks for watching.